Hey guys, Mrs. Ulickney here again. We're working on page 191 and then 192, your practice pages for when you're at home. So let's look at number 1. It says, for each array, write how many rows there are and how many dots are in each row. Then write a multiplication equation. So we talked about this in class. What is an array? It has equal rows and equal columns. So let's look at this first array. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rows. How many dots in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 dots in each row. What multiplication problem would that make? 5 rows of 4, and what's the product? What does that equal? I could count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 is the product. Let's look at this array. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows. How many dots in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots in each row. What multiplication problem does that make? 4 rows of 5, 4 times 5, and we know these have the same factors, so what's our product? 20. Okay, remember an array is equal rows and equal columns. Let's look at number 2. It says, you know that 3 times 9 equals 27. Explain how you know what 9 times 3 equals. Remember the factor rule. Are they multiplying the same numbers, the same factors? Yes, they're just in a different order. So you're still going to get the same answer. So the order of the factors does not matter. Okay? The product is still the same. Okay? If you need to pause, you can, so you can write this. So the order of the factors does not matter. The product is still the same. So pause me if you need to. Let's look now at page 192. It says, Daniel colors a grid to show 4 times 6 equals 24. Color the other grid to show 6 times 4 equals 24. Well, let's look at what Daniel did for 4 times 6 equals 24. So he actually made an array, equal rows and equal columns. So this should show 4 rows of 6. Let's see, does he have 4 rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this does show 4 rows of 6. Now let's go to 6 times 4 equals 24. So this time there should be 6 rows of 4. So instead of 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, there should be 6 rows. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and then 6 rows of 4. So how many should be in each row? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to color that in to show 6 rows of 4. Okay, so make sure you color this in neatly, okay? So 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 says, explain how you know there are the same number of colored squares in both grids in problem 3. Okay, tell me how we know. Because look what we're multiplying, 4 and 6 and 4 and 6. They have the same factors. So the factors for each grid is 4 and 6. So we know the product is the same. Okay, the factors for each grid is 4 and 6. We know the product is the same. Okay, you can pause at any time to catch up. All right, number 5 says, this array shows 4 times 3 equal 12. Another array equal rows and columns, so this should show 4 rows of 3. Do we have 4 rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Now it says draw an array that shows 3 times 4 equals 12. So this should have 3 rows instead of 4. So 3 rows of 4. So I'm going to draw 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And then how many in each row? 3 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shows 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, with 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And our answer is still the same because we are using the same factors. And number 6 says, Avery has 3 baskets with 9 flowers in each basket. Ralph has 9 baskets of flowers. If he has the same total number of flowers as Avery, how many does Ralph have in each basket? So let's look. Avery has 3 baskets with 9 flowers in each. So what multiplication problem would that be? If we have 3 baskets, 1, 2, 3, with 9 flowers in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many groups? 3 groups of how many flowers? 9. Does anybody know the product? I hope you're thinking 27. So Ralph, we know Ralph has 9 baskets of flowers. So I'm going to put Ralph over here. Okay, we know he has 9 baskets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we also know he has the same number of flowers as Avery. So we know he has 27. So if he has 9 baskets, 9 groups of what equals 27, what would my missing factor be? I hope you're thinking 3. So he has 3 flowers in each basket because the factors are the same, they're just in a different order. So he should have 3 flowers in each basket. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Don't forget to return this to school with you when you come back on Monday. If you have any questions or are confused, please let me know. All right, have a good rest of your day.